We're going to be working on the butterfly junk journal. I decided we're going to put some lace on some of the page edges. I think that'll look nice. Not too many. I figured maybe 2 in each half of the signature. So we'll have 4 in total. I think that would look nice sticking out the edge. So I've just cut these to size. I have 4 pieces cut. They're all in their spots that I picked. This is Pat in the paper closet. Thank you for coming back today. Hope you're enjoying making this butterfly journal. I hope what I'm doing is inspiring you. Look around for your papers, anything you could use to make a butterfly junk journal. Okay, I'm gonna put some glue along the edge here on this page. Not too much, but it is lace fabric. We want it to hold. I think this glue will hold it. This is just Elmer's glue all. You know that's what I use. Okay, let's see if we can get it to stick. Start it up here. Press it a little bit. Bring it down. Get it straight. And that'll work out fine. I'll just trim off the ends. I'm going to press this down. It's going to go right through the lace. I want it to hold. And pressing. Oh, that didn't do it. Okay, I'm going to do it with my hands. Hold it for a few seconds. If this doesn't work, I'll have to get my Fabrifix glue out, made specifically for fabric. It seems to be catching. Let's see if I can press it down. I think it's holding. This lace is very thick at the edge here where it's stitched, so it's not as easy to glue, but it is working. I'm going to let that dry before I try trimming it. We'll go to the next one. This is the second one in the front of the signature. We only have one signature in this book. We did 14 sheets, which gives us 56 pages. Okay, let's try this one. See if it works any better. And put a little more glue down. It could work into the fabric. Get the scissor out of my way. I hope you're enjoying making one of these. I have below in the description a list of the videos that we've made so far in making this journal. So if you're interested in making one, I show how to make the cover, how to pick out your pages for your signature, and then how to put the pages into the elastic. I'm going to get a napkin and wipe up some of the glue. Just a little bit down here. It's holding. Shift this over a little bit. Here's the second page. See how it looks from the side. Seems to be sticking. Alright, and that one really, yeah, a little bit of trimming at the top after it dries. Okay, this one. Really cut that one long. I'm gonna trim it before I even put it on there. Well, guess what? I'm getting a text. Okay, we're going to put glue on the edge. All the way up. To the bottom. Okay, try this one. I'm so sorry. It has a special text message sound. Hold it on until the glue catches a little bit. I'm rushing it. Can't rush the glue to dry. You all know that. Okay, I think it's holding. Press it down from this side. That's number 3. No, that one's not holding too well. Didn't give it enough time. Patience, that's what it takes. Sometimes I don't have any. I'm in a rush. Okay, let's see how that is. Alright, that's holding now. Okay, that's number 3. And here's number 4. Put down the glue. Sorry. I'll get to it in a minute. Okay, let's put on this piece. I don't know if you can tell, this is probably going to be a short video. We put on our last piece of lace. I really wasn't planning on starting the pockets or anything else right now. I'm going to cut out some more pockets, side tucks. I have some belly bands and things that I've made ahead of time. So we'll be adding them all in the next video. Okay, let's see how this looks. How far it sticks out of our book. Let me check this one. Okay, it's holding. Alright. Pick this up. Seems to be holding. Ah, looks very nice, sticking out the edge of our book. And the book will get a little bit chunkier as we add pockets, and tucks, and tags, belly bands, photo flaps, and everything else that we add. So I did have I do it? I lost it. Yeah, this pocket, I decided I'm gonna make this a pocket, or maybe I'll make a corner tuck on this page. And then I have these papers that I had colored. This was a notepad, so these can go in there. And this is a card that says 5 things to smile about. I figure that goes well in this journal. So that will go in this tuck. So that'll take care of that whole page. And then we'll continue on. I just wanted to remind you, the other day when I was finishing up the elastic, when I thought I had the signature upside down, I actually had the book upside down. And I put the end papers on upside down. So you see I have upside down butterflies. Luckily a pocket is going to cover that one up. And on the back, I'll make a corner tuck to cover this one. No, it's not all lost. You were probably yelling at me as I was doing it, that I had it upside down. And I didn't hear you. So now everything's right side up, except for the end papers. Those are upside down. But that's an easy fix. Corner tuck and a pocket. Alright, I hope you like this video. I know it's a little short, but that's all I wanted to add right now. If you like this video, please hit the like button and leave me a comment below if you like what I'm doing. If you have any suggestions on themes for books I can make in the future, just let me know in the comments. And also hit the subscribe button and the bell, and you'll be notified when the next video is up. This, I believe, is part 4. So we'll be working on part 5, putting in pockets and tucks and belly bands and lots of stuff. Okay, thank you for coming. I'll see you soon. Bye.